What is that plane taking off? Oh, it's Delta, is it? I'm not sure. Oh, I see. What is that? That's Air Canada. Is that 737? About to say goodbye to it. Oh, what plane's that over there? Oh, look at that. Is that Tui? Louis? Oh my god, it's just flickering. On the camera at least. Oh, did the other plane land? I'm not sure, but look at that stair. Hello. It's Aer Lingus. Look, it's the 3-leaf clover. Oh my god, this is big. Where's the Aer Lingus plane? What are you doing here? Bro, I just saw a seagull. Bruh, get out of here. You are not a plane. What kind of? You're a bird. Look, it's the Aer Lingus plane. Oh, good. There's a A3. There's a plane approaching right there. Can we catch it approach? Can we catch it I can't talk today. Can we catch it from here? It's way too far. First the seagulls, now you. Aer Lingus, what are you doing over there? You should be in Ireland right now. Look at that beautiful plane. With this bad image quality, guess what type of plane this is? Not airline-wise. Listen to me. Not airline-wise. Okay, where did it go? Where did it go on the camera? Where did it go? Oh, there it is. That's a nice view of it. I'm gonna just turn it sideways for a second. And I just took a photo. Nice. Now it's taking off. I was about to say how the birds here are not scared, but they left. It's going. It's taking off. Is the nose gear is not even close to taking off, or in the air. Goodbye, Aer Lingus. Oh, there's a little plane coming. Hello. Here, the nose is, well, that is the weirdest nose I ever seen. Ford built tough. Either have, guys, let me know in the comments. We have a lot of options to choose from. Which plane is this? Number 1, 737. Number 2, A319. Number 3, A320. Number 4, A321. Let me know in the comments. We're gonna go closer. We're closer now, and he is taking off. Goodbye. What plane is that, guys? That kind of looks like Delta. Where's it? Air Canada? Which one is it? It's Air Canada. I know. I see it. Is there a little plane? I see a car. But is there a plane? I know it. I know there's a plane. There has to be a plane somewhere, right? Even a little one? No, just that plane. That is a giant cinder block. I don't know what that means, but where's the plane? I think it's right over there. Yeah, I see it taking off. Little propeller plane. Goodbye. What is that plane over there? Is that Latham? Probably not. Let's see it just pop up from here. And where is it? Well, let me just make it focus. Focus. Why isn't it focusing? Focus on the background. Please. It won't focus. Is there any planes coming? No? There's not? Oh my god. It's Sunwing. I don't know what that is, but why won't the camera ever focus there? Oh, now it focuses. Oops. Where is it? Oh. Oh, that thing is fast. Why is it going so fast? Well, there it goes. Turning. Oh, there it is. Taking off. Very slowly. Wow, it's Portugal. Oh, what? Oh, I thought that wing slip was on the tail wing thing. It's going really, really fast. Why does that look like Oman? I think I can see UPS. Portugal one is fast. Is that 737 in Canada? What?